When it comes to enhancing comfort, safety, and accessibility in your home, few upgrades compare to installing a walk-in tub. For homeowners in Pascagoula, a walk-in tub is more than just a luxury. It's a practical solution that transforms your bathroom into a safe, functional, and relaxing space. If you're considering a home improvement that delivers lasting value, here are the top benefits of installing a walk-in tub in your Pascagoula home. Enhanced safety features. Safety is one of the primary reasons homeowners opt for walk-in tubs. Traditional tubs require users to step over a high ledge, increasing the risk of slips and falls, especially for seniors or individuals with mobility challenges. Walk-in tubs eliminate this hazard with low threshold doors, allowing easy and secure entry and exit. Other safety features include non-slip flooring, reduces the risk of slipping, even when the tub is wet. Grab bars, strategically placed for additional support and stability. Ergonomic seating, provides a comfortable place to sit, eliminating the need to lower yourself to the floor of the tub. For Pascagoula residents looking to age in place or create a safer environment for loved ones, a walk-in tub offers peace of mind and practical solutions. Therapeutic benefits. Walk-in tubs are not just about safety, they also provide a range of therapeutic benefits that can improve your overall well-being. Many models come equipped with features designed to promote relaxation and alleviate physical discomfort, such as hydrotherapy jets. These water jets target sore muscles and joints, offering relief from conditions like arthritis, chronic pain, and muscle tension. Air bubble systems. Gentle air bubbles create a soothing massage effect, helping to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Heated seating. Keeps you warm and comfortable throughout your bath, making it especially beneficial for those with circulation issues. For Pascagoula homeowners seeking to improve their quality of life, the therapeutic benefits of a walk-in tub are unmatched. Increased accessibility. For individuals with limited mobility, bathing in a traditional tub can be a challenging and stressful experience. Walk-in tubs are designed with accessibility in mind, offering features like wide opening doors. Accommodate users with mobility aids, such as walkers or wheelchairs. Handheld shower heads. Allow for easy rinsing and washing without requiring users to stand. Adjustable water controls. Make it easy to customize the temperature and flow, ensuring a comfortable and safe experience. These features make walk-in tubs an excellent choice for families in Pascagoula who want to create a more inclusive and user-friendly bathroom. Customizable options. Every bathroom is unique, and walk-in tubs come in a variety of sizes, styles, and finishes to match your space and aesthetic preferences. Whether you're looking for a compact design for a smaller bathroom or a luxurious model with premium materials like natural stone surrounds, there's a walk-in tub to suit your needs. Customization options also extend to features, such as chromotherapy lighting for mood enhancement, aromatherapy systems for a spa-like experience, quick drain technology to minimize waiting time after your bath. These options allow Pascagoula homeowners to design a walk-in tub that aligns with their lifestyle and taste. Boosted home value. Installing a walk-in tub is a smart investment that can increase your home's value and appeal. Modern, accessible features are increasingly sought after by homebuyers, making your property more attractive in Pascagoula's competitive real estate market. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to add long-term value to your home, a walk-in tub is a worthwhile upgrade. Easy maintenance and durability. Walk-in tubs are built with durability and convenience in mind. High-quality materials, such as non-porous surfaces and scratch-resistant finishes, make them easy to clean and maintain. Many models also feature self-cleaning systems that reduce the time and effort required to keep your tub looking its best. For busy Pascagoula homeowners, these low-maintenance features ensure that your walk-in tub remains a functional and beautiful addition to your bathroom for years to come. Conclusion: transform your bathroom today. A walk-in tub is more than just a bathroom upgrade. It's an investment in safety, comfort, and quality of life. Whether you're looking to improve accessibility, enjoy therapeutic benefits, or add value to your Pascagoula home, a walk-in tub offers a range of advantages that cater to your needs. If you're ready to transform your bathroom, contact a trusted local installer to explore your options. With the right walk-in tub, you can create a space that prioritizes safety, relaxation, and style, making every bath a luxurious and stress-free experience.